Okay, so this is my front yard. I live about a mile south of Vanderbilt, and I got a great recommendation from Tiffany Wilmot about this company led by Jeremy Lakich, correct?
Yep.
And Marie Campbell, and they are putting in a hexagonal garden in my front yard. In the back, I've started some composting and some vermicomposting with worms. But I've always wondered why we don't use our front yards to grow food, and I want to start a garden. And I'm also aware of what I am not able to do, and I certainly couldn't do the incredible work that these two are doing right now. So let me talk to Jeremy a little bit and ask him a little bit about...
Howdy, Jeff.
Hello there, Jeremy. Hello, Marie.
Hi.
So this is our hexagonal trio configuration, inspired by the bees themselves and modeled after the honeycomb. And basically, this is a nice way to kind of divide the different sections of the garden. In this case, we're going to be doing mostly tomatoes, basil, peppers, a couple of squash and cucumbers, and then some flowers, edible flowers like nasturtium, and then some marigolds, which will help with the pests and such.
Great.
And in this small area, I mean, Jeff will have enough not only for himself, but to share with his friends, families, and neighbors. And so it doesn't really take that much space. It does take a lot of love, but, you know, love not hate, or whatever they say.
Food, not lawns.
Food, not lawns.
Food, not lawns. I like that.
Yeah.
Can I see the back of your shirt? Do you have that on?
I think it says that.
Yeah. Less mowing, more growing.
Yeah.
So we were talking earlier about how lawns formerly, or a long time ago, were used to grow food, and that as people became more prosperous, the lawn became a kind of a symbol of I don't have to grow food.
Right.
And it seems like wasted space. This is a lovely lawn with, it gets a lot of sunlight, and always wanted to see if I could grow something here. And I really appreciate their help. And could you speak a little bit about the name of your business, Jeremy, real quick?
Yeah,
you want to do a shameless plug?
Yeah. Thanks for the shameless plug. So it's business is called Nashville Foodscapes, and the idea is that, you know, beauty and food, so function and beauty, don't have to be mutually exclusive. You know, that they can actually blend together beautifully into the landscape. So we install a lot of garden beds, vegetable garden beds, but we also do edible landscapes where your neighbors might not even realize you're growing food until they see you over there picking plums off the tree, or herbs out of the flower bed, or edible flowers. And so, you know, the idea is that, like, food can be grown everywhere. And it really should be, because there is nothing like eating fresh veggies and fruit and herbs straight from your yard. I mean, it is really one of the best pleasures of life, and so we're just here to support that in any way we can, and also reconnect people with it, because in the end it's fun, and it really to get your hands dirty and connect with these plants again is it really brings you back to what it is to be a human, you know?
Yeah.
Well,
I can't thank you guys enough. I think I'm right up to the limit of time for this, and appreciate you coming out and installing this. It's just beautiful. So
we're
thanks.
honored. We're honored.
Thanks.
Thank you.